Say hi, Rouse.
Hi.
Say hi, Emily.
Hi.
What is this, guys?
That's like a battery? Yeah.
What do we use batteries for?
Fixing things.
Like what things? What would you put a battery in?
Like you will put a battery in a light.
A light? What about you, Emily? What would you put a battery in?
A baby.
A baby?
No.
It's okay.
We would put a battery in a bad guy.
And a bad guy? What does the battery help us do? Like, what does it give us?
Well, I have a thing that you will put a battery in. Certain kinds of toys.
What kinds of toys?
Like my unicorn little stuffy that lights up.
Okay, that's pretty. So things that need, what do they need? Like,
they need like, I don't know, wires.
Yeah. Maybe they need some energy.
Mm-hmm.
Where is the energy? Is it inside this?
Yeah.
What do you think this stuff is? Look at that. What does that look like?
It looks like powder.
What does it look like to you, Lou? Oh, don't touch it. What do you think it is?
Looks like baby powder.
Baby powder?
Yeah.
Okay, you take one guess.
What is it hot?
What do you
Baby
think?
powder.
Baby powder. Emily.
Is it hot?
No, it's not hot. What do you think that white stuff
Why
is?
can we not touch it?
Because we're going to do an experiment here. What do you think that white stuff is? Take a guess.
I'm not. It's like this little thing. This little thing is powder, and if the powder turns white, it turns white.
Well, okay. I like your hypothesis. All right, so we're going to try a little experiment. You ready? We are going to put this vinegar, and it's like all we have is white balsamic vinegar. It's kind of sketch, but okay, Emma. We are going to put a little bit of on. What do you think is going to happen, guys, when I put the vinegar
I don't know.
on it?
Let's try. No, on the floor.
What do you think is going to happen?
Oh, the vinegar.
That's okay. It's yeah, don't worry about it. Vinegar is safe. Look. See those bubbles?
What's gonna happen?
See it bubbling? Right? You see that? Why do you think it's bubbling?
I don't know.
Well, hold on. Let's remember, in our rockets, what was the stuff that bubbled? What do we put the vinegar with to make it bubble? And in our close. In our volcano and in our rocket.
Baking soda.
Baking soda, right? So, don't those kind of look like the same bubbles?
Like that's really smooth. That
You guys want me to teach you something that's probably way over your head?
Yes.
Right, okay. So inside this alkaline battery, there's a salt bridge. Okay, there's something in here. There's an electrolyte, and it allows the current to flow. Make sense, Emma?
Okay, we
Can you help? Hey, can you say electrolyte?
Electrolyte.
This is why direct instructions.
Electrolyte.
Okay, so get this. Listen.
Mm-hmm.
Sit and listen. Okay. So what happens is some of that electrolyte leaks out. And it's potassium hydroxide. Can you say potassium hydroxide?
Potassium hydroxide.
And it leaks out, okay? And the potassium hydroxide reacts with some other stuff.
What does react mean?
Like plus, like give Emily a hug. Oh, that's like a reaction. Okay. But I guess only if like your arm cut off or something. But some of it gets out and reacts with some carbon dioxide in the air and produces basically very similar to baking soda. It produces potassium carbonate.
When can we touch that?
Hey, and that potassium
Daddy,
carbonate,
Daddy.
like baking soda. Listen to me, like baking soda.
Funny.
Hey, like baking soda reacts with the vinegar. Does that make sense? It shouldn't make any sense to you.
No, it does make sense. It makes sense.
What?
It's just one you said. It's when you said
Electrochemistry, everybody.